Did you not know what today I was supposed to do the introduction?
I know it,
so what's your problem?
Sha, you were offline since morning, so don't you communicate?
Did you try to call? Did you call?
I did not eat time, Sha. I did not eat time.
Alright, sharp again.
Funny situation, Sha. And managa, no tango mbovunza.
Kuroora sleep.
My parents are ngwaramba, Sha. My parents are ngwaramba, Sha, mara kuti ndiende kuma introduction ni unonti introduce amba kwenyu. They asked me, umunhu wacho mushona here kana kuti mundebele ndikavaudza kuti mundebele zvikanzi hakuna kwaunoenda haufaniri kuroora mundebele so ndoita sei you were offline kuti ndicommunicate newe ndikuzi I'm not joking, Sha, I'm serious. How do I joke?
When you're not men enough to make your own decision.
Saka ndakufuna kuita madecisions angu ine ndiri against my parents.
Are you on 4 years? What you have to be told everything.
Shamari, of course I'm grown up, but ndikamboite grown up zvosvika pakuti against in family yangu.
Oh, so you don't have the balls to stand up
Shamari,
for decision yangu.
Izvozvo zvokupinda.
Oh, very this has all been fake with Lanangan.
Shamari,
no, it doesn't make sense, Slick. It's not making sense.
So udoti make sense ndichita against family yangu.
Alright, sharp.
Shamari. Sora ako Shamara, it's not my choice, Shamari. Kunge disappoint, but it's not my own choice. I cannot force Kunda my interest.
Slick, hamba, it's fine. Okay? Hamba umama kemo.
Sorry, Shamara. Sorry, Shamara. And this is my choice.
Hamba put this.
It's okay. Job for me,
when you have the balls.
Sorry, Sha.